application today on mobile devices, you need to basically launch Flashlight and then navigate into a folder structure that looks kind of like this. And then as a user, you need to find, if you want to look at, for example, this Fanbase application, which is a cool application from Atlantic Records. I have to go in there, and then I see there's a TIS60.swift file, and then I open that file up, and then it goes into this great experience. When you're in there, it's really cool. I can browse around. It's running on Flash. This is using Flashlight 3.1. It's great to develop for this now. And I can play videos of T.I., who's a rapper, and I can pick one of these videos and play it right here on the phone. So you can see the experience on the phone once you've got it here and you've got it launched. It's quite a good experience. However, getting the content on the phone and launching that content as a user is kind of challenging. So this is something that we're working on. And what we're aiming to do is create a system here where you can actually package up your applications and distribute them to smartphones. And we're creating something called the Flashlight Distributable Player, and we're introducing that today as a developer release, so you can start using it, experimenting with it, deploying your applications with it. And the way it works is you can package your application built with Flash, and then you can deploy it to open smartphones like Windows Mobile, Symbian. We hope to get it, of course, on Android as well and other OSs. And you can package this up, and then you can distribute it. And you can distribute the player using either a variety of different aggregators, or you can put it on your own website, and you can point people to your URL, and they can download the application onto their mobile phone. Now, some people may not have Flashlight in their phones, even though we've got 1 billion out there. There are some that don't have it. And if you don't already have Flashlight, it will also detect that and install Flashlight on your mobile phone over the air. Won't that be cool? So we've got that working, and let's take a look at what that's going to be like. So I have here another phone. We've got a lot of phones at Adobe. And this is a Samsung phone. This one's running Windows Mobile. And I have, on this one I do not have Flashlight, and I do not have the Fanbase application we were just looking at. So I'm going to go into my little message area, and you can see Red has sent me a message to go get the Fanbase application via SMS. And I'm going to click from this SMS message, which will launch the browser, go to that website, and start downloading the application. For wireless is on our side today. It's going over the 3G network, so this is all live. It looks like the wireless may not be on our side this morning. Okay, well, oh wait, it's happening. No, it's not. Oh, here we go. Okay, so it says I'm going to download this application. Now it's actually streaming the application download over the wireless network to my phone. And the wireless, I think, is going to be a bit too flaky for us, unfortunately. Okay, so you can check this out yourself. You can go to the site. We'll have a link at the end. And it is actually working now. We have deployment of content and auto detection of Flashlight. It will install both in the phone, and it actually launches your application and establishes an icon right in the start menu. So your application built with Flash is no longer relegated to a directory and a bunch of folders. You get an icon right in the top level with all the other native applications on the phone, and therefore the user can launch the application directly. So very, very great experience for you guys.